Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to season and cook beef. Okay, so this is my little kitchen right here. I got everything here and I'm actually cooking red steak, but I just want to show you guys how to season this beef and cook it. So if you want to know how to cook red steak, I have a full video about how to cook red steak, but today's video is about how to season and cook beef meat. This is meat right here. It's a beef, and this is my seasoning I'm going to be using right here. So I already got a seasoning in the pan. I'm just going to be mixing everything up right here. So with the beef I got with the beef I have garlic, which I chopped into pieces with onions right in the beef here. So the seasoning I'm gonna stir the seasoning right here and put everything on the beef. So this is it right here. I'm mixing the seasoning up to put on the meat right here. Okay, so I forgot, before you put the seasoning on the meat, you gotta make sure and put just 1 or 2 spoon of 1 or 2 spoon of vegetable oil, 1 or 2 spoon of vegetable oil, tablespoon though. Yeah, so I got the first 1 spoon right here, and I got the second one right here. So I'm just gonna be stirring it up. So while I'm doing this, I got my oil on the stove right here. Yep, I got my oil on the stove, which is getting hot. And I also got onion. I'm doing a lot of stuff in my kitchen today, so I'm just gonna be stirring this up. So because I'm using one of my hands to stir this meat up, I'm just gonna put the camera down to continue the process behind the scene. I'm gonna let you know when I'm putting it in the pot. Stay tuned. So guys, after seasoning this meat, I let the meat to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, just depending how long you want to keep it. Yeah, I let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have the pot on the stove, which have the oil in it, and the stove is on. So I think the oil is ready. It's hot now, so it's time for us to put this meat into the pot. So let's go there. Okay, I'm just gonna be using I'm putting the whole meat into this pot just like this. So make sure you get everything from in this can and put in a pot. And then you're just gonna stir it up. I don't know, for some reason I don't like to stir my food with this. I'm used to this one because I think it's easy and make my work really easy. So family, this is how I cook my meat right here, just like this. If you want to ask me if I put water, no, I did not put water, and I did not cover this meat. I think the water that was on the meat when I washed it is just the water. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let it cook for maybe 5 more minutes. I would say 2 to 3 more minutes. And then this meat is all ready. As I told you guys, I'm cooking meat steak. Sorry guys, I'm cooking red steak, not meat. I'm cooking red steak with some onions right over there and mixed vegetable. And I'm gonna be showing you guys the red steak. Let me show you. So this is the red steak right here. This is what I'm cooking. Yeah, this is what I'm cooking to the rice steak. So the meat is ready.
The meat is ready.
What I'm gonna be doing is just to turn the stove off.
I like meat.
And take it out. Yeah.
And take it out too. Just take
So
it out.
this is how I cook my meat right here. And this meat is a beef. Yeah. I'm going to be cooking this with a rice steak. If you want to know how to cook rice steak, I'll put a full video about how to cook rice steak in the comment section below. If you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Rosemary. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I do just a little bit of everything. Yeah, I do a little bit of everything on this channel. I do cooking, cleaning. I also review product, and I did a video about how to set up a deep fryer, and that video got almost is going viral, guys. If you want to know, like if you want to learn how to set up deep fryer or how to use deep fryer, just check out my page. The title of the video is how to set up deep fryer. Everybody liking and commenting on that video. So guys, thank you so much. Come back to watch more of this video and stay tuned. Once again, my name is Rosemary. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification button to to watch more of this video. Thank you. Love you.